what
All right,
the.
so the first thing we did was we put glue on it.
Mm-hmm. Then we're just gonna put a
And
little
then
bit
we
of that
just put a little bit of
stone
that paste right there,
Mhm.
leave it like that. I'm filming this so others can see it.
Yeah,
And then put the ring on.
put a ring on it.
You can get it on.
I
Hard to
know.
do with that sticky finger.
It
You
is.
need another glove, or you good?
before you put that down. I'm just gonna give you pointers. We're gonna take this and we're gonna make it as close to the size of that as we can. Does that make sense?
It do, I normally do it, y'all making me nervous. I feel like I'm being graded.
No, you're not being
Yeah,
graded.
I've
You're
already
not.
told you you made an A+.
I mean, you're doing an awesome job. Don't.
Sylvia, I'm the patient, I'm supposed to be worried.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
not
you
worried.
worried.
Yeah, you're not. You're not.
And see, this part right here is also gonna cover the part where we could have made the bag a little bit. But anyways, there you go. You see how I flattened it out?
Mm. Put it on the glue, is it gonna hold?
It's gonna hold. I promise you.
All right, so the glue, the little wad of glue's up under that corner right there.
Yeah.
And you want this ring. See that's gonna push it down on it, and that's gonna cover all of that skin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now do you remember when I asked you to put that on there, that we're going to go from the bottom and push up?
Push up and down.
Mm-hmm. There you go. He would have been a hot mess if she wouldn't have been there.
Hmm?
With all that leaking, I said he would have been a hot mess.
Oh, yeah, if she wasn't cleaning them up,
Mhm.
yeah. Cause that much leaking just eat your skin up.
Yeah.
And another trick that you can use to get it to stick if it's not sticking
Mhm.
is heat that Ekin ring up with a hairdryer and heat these up with a hairdryer.
Yeah, that, we was working on that, and every time I keep forgetting it. I got two at home.
So put the ring on, like that little ring on like that, and then heat it, or, I mean, hold it and heat it.
You can hold it because you got like,
Yeah.
and heat it up.
Yeah, and that way it'll stretch better.
It'll stick better.
Stick better.
Okay.
You can move it around easier and get it to the shape you need it,
Okay.
and it'll stick better.
Okay.
These,
Yeah.
if you heat up the backside of them,
Right,
they'll stick better.
but
Okay.
her hair dryer only went on hot and cold.
We can go buy
Not
another, we go
warm.
buy another hairdryer.
He said that burned. I said,
We'll
okay.
go buy another hairdryer, I'll get Shannon to buy it,
Okay.
we'll buy another.
I had one for here and it kicked out and I haven't got another one
Yeah.
yet. And the doctor said to me, he said, "Why do you need a hairdryer?"
Just be quiet, let me do what I'm
I
doing,
said,
right?
"Don't worry about why I have a hairdryer."
No, that's right.
All right, so lift that flap back up. So it's poking out much better
Yeah.
than,
See,
yeah,
See what that done.
okay. All right.
And it's not so much this bottom part that
Yeah.
you're worried about.
Yeah,
Because he showed you where the hole is all the way up here, so
Okay.
it's not
yeah.
what she was worried about.
It just
but-
looks like it's down at
Yes.
the bottom, it's really not down
It's
at the
not.
bottom, that's just a fold in the
Mhm.
intestine.
Correct.
Okay.
yes, doctor.
This is for the film's sake, this is not for your sake, I'm not talking to you. If I'm talking to you, I'm gonna say your name.
Okay, that was